Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a chicken laddo, which is a chicken based dish with a tomato sauce, and we've got loads of fragrant ingredients in there like thyme leaves, garlic, ginger, cinnamon sticks, and we've got some tomatoes and of course chicken. So first off, what you want to do is you want to get your thyme stalks and just pick off a few leaves from them. Now I've used about 3 garlic cloves, so what I do is I just crush them with the back of the knife and then just finely chop them. And then with the ginger as well, just peel the skin off with a spoon or a knife to get all the hard skin off the ginger, and then finely chop it together with the garlic. So we've got all our aromatics ready. The next thing you want to do is to chop up your tomatoes. So this stew has potatoes in it. I absolutely love adding potatoes with the chicken. It just also makes the sauce a bit more creamy and thicker as well. So I've added about 2 large potatoes. I've just taken the skin off and then chopped them into decent sized chunks so they won't kind of disintegrate into the sauce that much, and you'll have nice bits of potatoes in there with the chicken. So what you want to do first is saute the onions in a little bit of oil to start with, then add in your chicken thighs. I've used just normal organic chicken thighs here. You can have bone in or bone out, but sometimes when you have the bones in there it adds extra flavour to the sauce. So you want to add in the potatoes and then add in those aromatics that we chopped up earlier. Next goes in the tomatoes as well, and 1 can of chopped tomatoes, and this is going to form that lovely sauce. So we want this dish to cook nice and low and slow. So we add in some stock if you want, or if you don't have stock you can put in just water and put it on low on a gentle simmer for about 30 minutes or so, or until the potatoes and the chicken are cooked through and lovely and tender. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and the video, and I will leave it in the description below. Please like and subscribe for my channel for more videos coming soon.